All right, so as you guys can see, it has a USB charger on the front. Right now I'm using it to charge my iPad. It is, as you guys can see, charging. It's fully charged. The cool thing, these buttons actually do something. So changes the lights on the logo on and off. It's kind of hard to see with the way the flash is. You can kind of see it that way. And then this one is controlled by this button on the top here. So you got that light, and then there's a little hinge here. I got a couple bottles of some tea that I made up, and they're nice and cool, nice and cold. And yeah, that's pretty much it. There is a little switch on the back that you have to make sure is on. I didn't realize that at first. So if you happen to purchase one of these, definitely make sure you check that out. Not much to see here. I mean, there's a little moisture catch. There's a little door deal right there, which I'm probably going to use to store some terps or something like that. A little shelf here, probably use to store some terps. Probably not going to keep many drinks in it. I'm just going to probably use it to like alleviate some out of my fridge. But I thought the charging thing, I didn't realize it had a USB charger on it. I thought that was pretty cool for my iPad because it kind of acts as a little bit of a charger extension for me. So I have, you know, the ability to have the little lights on. As you guys can see, there's a little ventilation up here. And then, you know, if I want to drink, I got some drinks. I'm probably, like I said, probably going to keep terps and stuff in there. And then, yeah. So that's the little drink cooler. As you can see, that just sits right up on top of a desk. And then this is the actual mini fridge. So you can see it's much bigger. And it's sitting on the floor. And it comes up about halfway to the old fridge I got. If anybody's curious why I've got a mini fridge and a drink cooler, if there's a fridge in here, and that's actually the whole reason I got these. My fridge went out, and not gonna lie, kind of got freaked out because I had just bought some groceries, wasn't quite sure what to do. Ended up somebody that I had done some artwork for had been in a similar situation and kind of knew what it was like to be freaked out, and sent me some money for the artwork that I had done them. And so I used that money to buy these, and I thought I'd do the review on them after purchasing them, just to kind of make use of, you know, purchasing objects, making content. So we got on the big one, the one thing that is a little bit different up top, you don't actually have ventilation. No holes up here, just kind of like this printed on or painted on, or maybe even a graphic that's laid on there. Look to sort of match up the top of the Xbox Series X. You do have a logo light. However, these buttons on the outside and stuff like that, they're no functionality or nothing like that. They're just kind of there purely for looks. And on the back, there are no connections or anything like that. It's just, you know, pretty much basic, similar mini fridge. That being said, I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. There's a little toggle switch if you want to turn off the light on the outside. Got a little knob here, keeps your temperature. Got a little ice box, which as you guys can see works very well. I got my ice trays filled up and frozen. And this is basically what I'm using it for. You know, not a lot of groceries, but this is about what I keep on a regular in a fridge. And I'm gonna be, you know, trying to kind of learn some ways to cut back my grocery spending in a way that maybe will work a little bit better suited for the size of this fridge. But overall, to be able to hold, you know, pretty much you got your dairy, you got some cheese and some dressing and some condiments and stuff, some butter, This section over here can hold cans for drinks. I got half and half for my coffee. Got a couple more condiments, hot sauce, and some Worcestershire sauce. Up here, it does have a little thing for eggs, which I'll probably use whenever the carton gets down to this many eggs. But other than that, I got, you know, a couple of bagged items, couple little random, you know, produce items in there, some fruit. Nice little fruit drawer, kind of like that. And yeah, so that's about it. That's the inside of the fridge. I really thought that was pretty cool. Power your dreams. I thought that was pretty cool. So that is it. That is the 3.2 cubic foot actual mini fridge from Microsoft and Uconic. And then this again is just, this is the smaller version, is the 8 drink cooler, which, sorry you guys sounded a little fly there, but this is the 8 drink cooler from Microsoft, and this is the little tabletop. So you have the big boy and you have the tabletop version. All right, hope you guys enjoy those reviews.